automated laser guides project precise cutting lines onto the material surface. A worker uses a handheld digital calculator. The high-strength 7075 aluminum undergoes automated X-ray inspection, verifying thickness. The powerful laser beam swiftly cuts the aluminum, creating robust bomb rack structures. This structural Suspended by robotic grippers, the newly machined titanium 6Al4V components transition to the thermal stabilization. The partially shaped silver-gray titanium 6Al4V alloy wing spar reinforcement components are loaded for the final finishing pass.
The Nanchang Q-5 requires extensive structural strengthening. Here in Zone A,
laser alignment looks good on Zone A.
Confirmed. Stress tolerance levels are nominal.
The titanium alloy subassembly undergoes a detailed post-assembly dimensional inspection using an advanced laser tracking system. Chemical milling allows us to fine-tune the weight distribution without compromising the reinforced structure's integrity. All diagnostics passed final inspection, ready for sign-off.
approved. Proceed to packaging.
The penetrant test confirms structural integrity. We are clear for the next phase. The bomb rack housing moves to the hydraulic integration station in Zone B, where complex fluid lines are connected to power the release system.
Center the pallet. Confirmed alignment. Engage the forward locks now. Radio, confirm the bay is secure.
Manifest confirms receipt of the Q-5 Fantan ordnance carriers. Custody is officially transferred to the 3rd Maintenance Group.
Mechanisms checked and cleared.
Confirmed. Ready for installation.
Torque reading 0.550 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Settings are optimal.
Pylon 2 engagement successful. Check all locks.
Roger. Shear pins inserted and confirmed stable.
Structural strengthening is key. The aircraft must withstand the extreme forces of acceleration, demonstrating the integrity of the bomb racks and the entire system.
The reinforced bomb rack, fabricated in process B, ensures flawless efficiency, releases the ordnance.
Verify the ejector mechanism housing. Check for any stress fractures.
It's clean. No residue or heat stress detected. Ready for the next mission.
The Nanchang Q-5 Fantan, continuously ready. Heavy ordnance loads ensure close air support capability. The reinforced fuselage and wings enable the Fantan to carry heavy ordnance.
The Nanchang Q-5 Fantan, carrying its heavy external ordnance securely attached to the mine.